Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Well, I mean, we're just dressed like this because this is what we normally dress like.
It's every other day.
But no, happy Halloween. I'm a clown, obviously.
Yes, and I'm Clark Kent.
Yeah.
Superman.
I think we are the only people dressed up today here. That's okay. Because it was my idea, so we knew.
Yeah, we didn't tell anybody.
But yeah, so today is Halloween. We're filming this on Halloween, obviously. That would be crazy if we just dressed up on a different day. But anyway, today we're making a very fun Halloween mocktail. You can make it a cocktail if you're wanting, but it is 9 a.m. So we're not making it a cocktail. Also, she's not 21. So we're making a Bloody Shirley.
Yum.
This is on our blog. It's been in the magazine before. It's literally Shirley Temple, but we use syringes for the grenadine. And also, like, in the magazine one on the blog, we also, like, dripped stuff on it, but we don't have the icing anymore. Yeah. So if you want to make it more spooky, you could drip, like, some red blood. Icing, some fake blood on it. Yeah. We don't have that. So we're just doing the Shirley Temple. Okay, we realized that we forgot ice, so we don't know if we got the ice. So basically, it's literally ice, Sprite, or, like, whatever, lemon lime soda. Yeah. And grenadine in our fun little
syringes.
So it was dripping. Syringes. That's what makes it Halloween.
Yeah.
So yeah, basically it's gonna take us 5 seconds to make. But who doesn't love a dirty or a bloody Shirley?
A bloody Shirley.
A dirty Shirley.
Not this one.
Or a Shirley Temple, whatever. If it wasn't 9 a.m. Just gonna put some ice.
And if I was older.
Yeah. Well, I could. You can't. Putting ice in the cups. If you want to pour us the spray.
Okay.
Yeah. Camilla is not 21. I am well over 21. So, basically.
How much should I do it?
That's good. Yeah, that's good. So basically, these are mocktails.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's still very Halloween vibes.
Okay, now you take your little syringe and you stick her in there, and then you squeeze it like this.
Wow.
And then it's very red, and then you can mix it with it.
I love this. It would be cute if these were like straws, like if they had syringe straws.
Ooh. I've had them where they make these, like, people make Jello shots in them.
Oh, cool.
But, like, you have to, like squirt them in your mouth. It's, like, kind of crazy. But it is cute for, like, Halloween. So, yeah, here's our Bloody Shirley. It's just a Shirley Temple, but it's Halloween. So, we're making it Halloween.
Bloody.
Yeah. I mean, I'm going to try it because whatever, but we all know what a Shirley Temple tastes like. Delicious.
Classic.
Or I haven't had one of these in a long time.
Yeah, it's yum. It's yum. It's simple, easy to make, perfect for Halloween festivities.
Also,
parties.
like, only a few ingredients. So if you're like, OMG, I have a party at 6 p.m. today. I have work until 5 p.m. What can I get on the way there to bring? Literally Sprite, grenadine. Well, you don't do the syringes. I guess you would need to pre-plan the syringes, but if you already have these, then that would be perfect. And then if you wanted to make them alcoholic, you can put vodka in them too. So 3 ingredients plus the syringe if you can find one in your house somewhere.
Yeah, or you can make like the little eyeball ice.
Oh yeah, eyeball ice with like the blueberry.
If you don't have
the,
like syringes. Yeah.
That's easy to make too. We've done that too.
Yeah.
But yeah.
That would be cute too.
That'd be cute. I think tonight. I think my friend is making that tonight, the eyeballs.
Oh yeah.
But in like a punch.
It's cute.
So,
get creative. That's what Halloween's about.
Yeah. But yeah, so it's Halloween, so we're gonna go continue being spooky and frightening while also doing our work.
And trick-or-treating.
Well, I'm not trick-or-treating. I don't even get kids coming to my house. Like, I just be in the house. So, yeah, have a happy and safe Halloween. Let us know what you guys are dressing up as in the comments.
Yes.
Or what your plans are, whatever your Halloween, your Halloween weekend activities. I know people are continuing that all weekend.
Yes.
But yeah, so we'll see you guys next week for maybe like a fall recipe because it'll be November.
Yeah, immediately it's time for holiday.
Yeah,
Holiday
time for
recipes.
Thanksgiving.
It's actually, next time we're doing a
Turkey.
winter recipe. So
We're actually doing a
we're
turkey.
skipping Thanksgiving.
What? No, I love Thanksgiving.
I like the food.
Okay. All right.
Bye.